Now here we have today a gift from my wife. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic 46mm Bluetooth. So let's see. Let's see what this is about. Shall I open the box nicely, huh? Without cutting my fingers. Wow, look at that, huh? Look at that. Let me put my glasses on. Woo! Look at that. Unboxing. Look at that. The new 3-button design. The new incorporated band. High volume speakers. The Classic has got the rotating bezel and the nice 46mm screen. Heart rate sensors there, barometric sensor there. Beautiful, huh? And that is the button to unclip the bracelet.
Turn it on.
You want me to turn it on first? I don't even know how to turn it on. Maybe it's flat, I don't know.
You turn it on right or
I think
not?
it's flat. Must be charged maybe.
Okay.
So let's see here. Hello.
It's charged.
Strip is here.
Yeah, the strip first, Swami.
Oh, there is the bracelets there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the little card there. Shows you how to attach it.
Okay.
Look how nice is that, huh? Wow. Smelling
Leather?
new. It's not leather, it's rubber.
Rubber.
Made to look like leather with stitching, but it's a rubber bracelet, a rubber band. Beautiful, man. And then you take this. Now, how do we put this? I think it's like that. So that must go on that side. Must go on that side like this.
Put it straight. Okay, can I turn it on?
Let's see if we can give it.
Okay, put it in your hand.
And it's gonna go through a startup.
Welcome home, baby.